Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating a soft glam look. First, I'm going to be applying concealer on top of the corrector, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation. And I am using the Wet n Wild foundation. It is a matte one. I really love how this foundation photographs. It's super matte and it blends so good. Now I'm going in with my Hourglass concealer. I'm gonna let it dry. Alright, so while I let my concealer dry a little bit more, I am gonna go in with the Makeup by Mario Skin Enhancer, and I use it as a bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that concealer, and this brush right here is for foundation, but it blends so good that I like to use it for my concealer, and I really wish they made a concealer version of it. It's so good. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Joy. I always put too much of this blush. I like to blend it all the way closer to my eye. It just makes it look more natural and lifted. And to set my under eye and the rest of my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Pound Cake. Okay, so to set my bronzer, I am using the Juvia's Place Bronzer Duo. Alright, on the eyes, I'm doing something very simple. I'm just doing like a light brown, and then I'm gonna be applying a little bit of the shimmer on the eyelid. And I actually only used one brush for this whole thing, and my finger, of course. I'm applying a little bit of this cream eyeliner on the bottom, and then I'm smoking out this black eyeliner that I did on the top. It's just like a very soft wing, and these lashes right here, they're so pretty. I'm applying them before mascara because I want to kind of blend them together and curl the lashes. So right here, I'm just applying the mascara on the top and also on the bottom. Alright, right here I'm just mixing the highlighter and the blush from this NARS palette that I don't even think they sell it anymore. It's like so old, but it's so pretty. And I'm also doing a matte color on my lips today. And to finish off the look, I'm just spraying some of this Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. And this is how the makeup is looking. Thank you so much for watching my video today, guys, and hopefully I'll make more videos like this soon. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.